Hello, all. Hope everyone is fine. First of all, please take all precautions, stay home, and stay safe. Our today's topic is smart goal setting. Everyone likes to grow high in their personal and professional lives and achieve what they aspire for. Let's discuss some of the strategies and tips for the same. It can be your personal life or professional life. If you want to achieve something, the basic foundation which you have to put for this is goal setting. This is very important topic. The thought process of few people will be like this. Let today pass on without any issues and we will see tomorrow issues tomorrow. These type of people will not set any goals and they would not know at this point of time that they'll miss out achieving what they aspire to. And some people will set goals and strongly feel that they want to achieve it, but however, due to lack of proper planning and execution, they might not achieve their goals, or the goal which they have planned to achieve in 6 months, they might achieve the same goal in 3 years. So when we have proper strategy, planning and execution, only then we can achieve the goal successfully on time without any blockers. Right? Also, we should not get stopped after achieving one or two goals. Goal setting and achieving should become a habit for each and everyone, which brings out the zeal and keep up the enthusiasm in us all the time and make us success. So first of all, how to set goal? It should be SMART, which means specific, measurable, achievable, attainable, relevant, time bound. Let's see what is specific. When we don't set up our goals in specific, we'll not be able to focus and keep proper efforts on the goal which we plan to achieve, which in turn reduces your motivation on achieving the same. So to make your goal more specific, simple. Ask yourself the below 5 questions. What do I want to accomplish? Why is this goal important? Who is involved? Where it is located? Which resources and limits are involved? For example, if I want to achieve this goal, I want to read this specific book, this specific articles, and what advantage will this goal gives me, and who all can help me in achieving this, so etc questions. So let's be more specific in these areas. Next is measurable. It's always important to have measurable goals so that you can track your progress and stay motivated. Assessing progress helps you stay focused, meet your deadlines, and feel the excitement of getting closer to achieving your goals. Again, ask yourself some questions like how much, how many, how will I know when it is accomplished? So these are some questions which you can put to yourself to assess and measure your goals and progress. Next is achievable. Your goal also needs to be realistic and attainable to be successful. In other words, it should stretch your abilities but still remain possible. When you set an achievable goal, you may be able to identify previously overlooked opportunities or resources that can bring you closer to it. For example, if someone who say that I wanted to become Prime Minister of India without proper qualifications, it is not realistic and attainable. So based on your qualifications and your ability, so you have to measure if the goal is realistic or attainable. Let's again ask some questions to ourselves like, how can I accomplish this goal? How realistic is this goal based on other constraints such as financial factors, so etc conditions. Next is relevant. This step is about ensuring that your goal matters to you. and that it also aligns with other relevant goals. So, we all need support and assistance in achieving our goals, but it's important to retain control over them. So, make sure that your plans drive everyone's forward, but that you are still responsible for achieving your own goal. A relevant goal can answer yes for some of the questions like: does this seem worthwhile? Is this the right time? Does this match our other efforts or needs? Am I the right person to reach this goal? Is it applicable in the current socio-economic environment? So just put some questions like this so that you know yourself how relevant is your goal. Last but not the least is time bound. Every goal needs a target date so that you have a deadline to focus on and something to work toward. This part of the SMART goal criteria helps to prevent everyday tasks and from taking priority over your long-term goals. A time-bound goal will usually answer some of the questions like: when? What can I do 6 months from now? What can I do 6 weeks from now? What can I do today? So these are some things which you can keep in mind when you set your goals and use them to achieve your goals successfully on time. And more than how much you understand these things, practicing and applying them to your real world goals is much more important for your success. So this is all for today's session. I will come up with more videos on what are different professional skills and how to improve them effectively in my upcoming sessions. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye.